Welcome back to Veranda Malayalam. Today we are going to discuss an arithmetic topic, that is profit and loss. Right? Important topic, right? Important topic, profit and loss for all competitive exams. All competitive exams, bank exam, railway, SSC, all tiers, tier 1, tier 2, bank preliminary, main exam, right? For all competitive exam, arithmetic topic, profit and loss is very important. We can expect question from profit and loss for all the exams, right? Some exam they are asking one question, some exam they are asking two questions, right? For bank exam, in main exam they are asking DI, data interpretation, which is related to the profit and loss, right? Therefore, so today we are going to start profit and loss. From the basic we are going to study. If you are a beginner, if you don't know anything in profit and loss also, from this video you can able to understand what is profit and loss, complete basic concepts, right? So profit and loss. In profit and loss, some terms are repeated in the questions, right? We should know what is CP, right? What is CP? CP is nothing but cost price, CP. Then SP, selling price. SP is nothing but selling price, right? Then profit. Profit and loss, topic itself profit, right? Topic itself, this name is there, profit and loss. But in exam point of view, profit percentage. What is profit percentage? We should know. Profit percentage. How we can calculate loss percentage? What is loss? From the loss, how we can calculate loss percentage? That we should know, right? Basic thing, CP, SP, profit percentage, loss percentage, right? Then next level what we should know is marked price. Next level we have to study marked price. Then we should know about the discount. Clear? Now in the first basic concept we are going to study this area only, CP, SP, profit percentage, loss percentage. And based on that some questions we are going to work out today, right? From the beginning, right? From the beginning, foundation, basic we are going to discuss. Cost price. What is cost price? Money paid by the shopkeeper or a person to buy goods, right? See, cost price is the purchasing price is called as cost price, purchasing price. A person bought an article for 2000 rupees. He paid 2000 and bought an article, that is CP, that is cost price. Then what is selling price? Easily you can understand, right? If you don't know anything also, easily you can understand. See, selling price. What is selling price? The price at which the goods are sold. That is, at what price we are selling, that is called as selling price, right? Now listen, one person bought an article for 2000 rupees. One person bought an article for 2000 rupees and he sold the article for 2400. He sold the article for 2400. He gave only 2000 and purchased it. But while selling, he sold for 2400. For selling, he sell with the more money, right? For 2400, he sold the article. Therefore, in this case, that 400 rupees extra, that is called as profit. He got a gain of 400 rupees in this transaction, right? That is 400 rupees profit, right? CP is buying price, SP is selling price. That's all, cost price, selling price, right? Then profit, already we have discussed. So what is profit? That is selling price is more than the cost price. When selling price more than the cost price, that situation is called as profit, right? I already told one example, that is cost price of a mobile is 2000 rupees and selling price of that same mobile or any article, that is 2400. Therefore selling price 2400, 400 rupees more. Therefore that situation is called as profit. Clear? How we can calculate the profit? That is, profit is nothing but selling price 2400. From that we are subtracting the cost price, we will get 400. That is the profit. Easy to understand, but here we are writing and studying, right? Now what is loss? What is loss? A person bought an article for 200 rupees, but he sold for only 100 rupees, right? Listen, a person bought an article for 200 rupees, but he sold it for only 100 rupees. That is, 100% less money he is selling. Therefore, in this transaction he got a loss, right? Whenever a person selling price is less than the cost price, selling price less than the cost price, or we can say CP is more than SP. When CP is more than SP, a person got an article for 200 rupees and sold it for only 100 rupees, CP more. This situation there is a loss. Therefore, CP minus SP is nothing but loss. Cost price minus selling price is nothing but loss, right? Okay. Then profit percentage. Now exactly we are going to start the question, what they are asking in the question, exactly we are going to start that, right? Profit percentage. See, profit we know. What is profit? Selling price is more. Therefore, the person is getting a profit, right? And profit percentage, how it is calculated is, listen carefully, how much profit they are getting. That profit divided by cost price, into 100. That is profit percentage, right? Now, same example we take, CP is 2000 rupees and SP is 2400 rupees. Therefore, what is the profit? 400 rupees more, 400 rupees the profit. Now, profit percentage we have to calculate. How we can calculate this? Profit money value 400, profit value upon divided by CP only we have to take. CP is what? 2000 rupees. Into 100 we get the profit percentage. Into 100 we get the profit percentage. How we can solve? This 0 we can cancel. This we can cancel. 2 and 4 we can cancel. 2. Therefore, 2 into 10, 20% profit. How much percentage profit? 20% profit. Clear? 20% profit, right? That is profit percentage always calculated on profit by CP into 100. Loss percentage also same concept, loss by CP into 100. Loss divided by CP into 100. Simple example, right? We take a person bought an article for 200 rupees and he sold it for only 100 rupees. He sold it for only 100 rupees, right? In this transaction, loss or profit? Cost price 200, but sold it for only 100 rupees. Therefore, there is a loss, right? And loss money value is what? 100 rupees loss, 100 rupees loss. What is loss percentage? Loss percentage is equal to loss money value, yes, loss money value, that is 100 rupees loss divided by CP into 100, right? How we can solve this? 0, 0 we can cancel. 2 means what? We can cancel that, therefore 50% loss. Loss percentage is what? 50%, there is a loss, right? So, loss percentage, profit percentage is always calculated upon CP only. Don't forget, profit by CP into 100 is profit percentage, loss by CP into 100 is loss percentage, right? First important basic relation, basic formula. Based on this only they will set the question also, right? Very important. Then next important thing is CP given in a question, CP they will give, right? Cost price they will give, right? And what is the profit percentage, that also they will give in a question. But they will ask selling price. What is the selling price? Like that they will ask, right? For that question, how we have to approach? What is the formula is? Selling price is equal to CP by 100 into 100 plus profit percentage. Don't mug up as a formula, listen carefully. What is the approach is? 100% is always CP. Don't mug up as a formula, understand the logic. 100% always we have to consider for cost price, CP. In a question they have given profit. For example, they have given profit percentage, they have given 20%. Clear? Profit percentage is what? 20% given. Now what we have to do is 100% is CP. What is SP? Selling price more. Profit. Profit means what? Selling price more. Therefore, that 100% plus 20% we have to add. Now what we can do is, this 100 is CP, 100 plus profit, what is 120%? This is the method. 100 is CP, profit given, add profit to the 100, we will get the SP. 100 is CP, study like this. Don't study as a formula CP by 100 into 100 plus profit, CP by 100, 100 minus, like that, don't study, listen carefully. 100% is cost to price. Profit given 100 plus profit percentage, we will get selling price. That's all, right? Understand and study, don't mug up as a formula. Now listen, in case loss given, how we can solve? 100% is always CP. This 100% is CP, cost to price, right? What is 100 minus loss percentage? 10% given. Therefore, 10% loss given. How we can solve? 100 minus loss percentage, right? See, simple example we take and we will discuss this, right? That is, in a question they have given a CP. In a question they have given cost to price. Cost to price they have given 150 rupees. Cost to price 150 rupees given. And they are saying profit percentage is 10% profit. Beginner also easily you have to understand. Therefore, we are starting from the basic level. Profit percentage 10%. In a question they are asking SP, selling price they are asking. How we can calculate? Now listen, always 100% is cost to price. Cost to price, what is the value? 150, right? Now we want to find out selling price. In a question they have given profit. In a question they have given profit. Therefore, what to do? Profit 10% means 100 already CP. For that 100 we are adding 10% profit. Therefore, we can say 100 plus 10 is what? 110. 110% is what? Profit. Clear? 110% is what? Selling price. Now, this 0 we can cancel, 0 we can cancel. 15 into 11 is what? 165. This is selling price, right? 100 is CP, what is 110? Profit percentage 10%, what is 110? Profit percentage 20%. 100 is CP, what is 120? Profit percentage is 30. How we can calculate? 100 is CP, what is 130? We will get the selling price, right? Right? Now listen, what is another understanding is, listen carefully, 150 rupees product. For that, 10% profit added. That is, 10% money value increase, 10% profit added, right? 10% of 150, what is the value? 10% of 150 is what? 15. Therefore, we have to add 15 rupees for this price. Therefore, 150 plus 15, what is the value? 165 selling price. 10% money value increased. 10% profit is added, right? Therefore, 165. But using formula, 100 is 150, what is 110? That's all. Clear? Now listen, loss given. Loss given means what we can do? Same concept. Cost to prices, we take cost to prices 200 rupees, right? We take cost to price 200 rupees. Cost to price is 200 rupees. And a person sold with a loss. Loss of how much percentage? For example, we take 10% loss, right? Easy to understand, 10% loss, right? SP we have to find out. What is the basic method? Listen, 100 is CP. 100% is what? Cost to price 200 rupees. Now in a question they have given loss. Therefore, SP is what? From 100 we have to subtract the loss percentage, right? 100 minus loss percentage. 100 minus loss percentage is what? 10%. 100 minus 10 is what? 90%. See, 100 is 200, what is 90? We will get the answer, right? Now this 20 we can cancel. The result is what? 180. Result is 180. Clear? Right? This is the basic method. Now listen carefully. 200 rupees product, loss. Loss means minus. Minus loss percentage. How much percentage loss given? That they have given 10% loss. We have to reduce 10% of this money value. 10% is what? 20 rupees. 10% is what? 20 rupees. Therefore, loss. 200 minus 20, what is the value? 180. Clear? This is useful for mind calculation. Clear? But first study with the 100 is CP, what is 120? Profit 20% given, what is 120? You will get SP. Last 20% given, 100 is CP, what is 80? You will get SP, right? Understand like that, okay, right? Now next one, CP in a question, selling price given, a person sold an article for 150 rupees, selling price given, right? And profit percentage also given. He got a profit of 10%, or he got a profit of 20%, like that profit percentage given. Now what is the cost price? Like that they are asking, right? Already what I told you, 100% is always CP. Therefore, we want to find out CP. Therefore, they are finding for 100. SP is what? Profit given, we can add 100 plus profit. That is equal to SP, right? Now listen, in a question, 20% profit given, right? Therefore, what is SP? SP is nothing but 120. 20% profit added with 100. SP is what? 120. Therefore, how we have to solve the question is, 120 is SP, what is 100? We will get CP. This is the relation. Don't confuse with the formula that profit given percentage we have to add with the 100. 100 plus profit is SP. What is 100? We will get CP. In case loss given, for example, loss percentage they have given 20%. How we can calculate? CP is equal to 100 minus loss. 100 minus loss means what? Loss is 20%. 100 minus 20 is what? 80. That 80 is selling price. 80% is selling price. What is 100? We will get CP, right? Therefore, basic what we have to understand is CP is always 100%. SP is profit given 100 plus profit, right? Then loss given means SP is what? 100 minus loss. That's all. Clear this? So these are the basic concepts, right? Now see this question. A man bought an article for rupees 400 and sold it for rupees 480. Find his profit percentage. Okay. A man bought an article for rupees 400. Bought. Therefore, this 400 is what? CP. Therefore, CP, cost price is what? 400 rupees. Okay. And he sold it for means what? Selling price. Sold it for rupees 480. Therefore, selling price 480. Now, just I have taken the data from the question. To understand, I have taken the data from the question, right? Now, CP 400, SP 480. Selling price more or less? Selling price more. Selling price more means this situation profit or loss? Profit, right? Therefore, the difference between CP and SP is what? In this question, this difference is the profit. How much profit a person is getting? 80 rupees a person getting the profit. Profit in money value is 80 rupees, right? But the question is what? Profit percentage. Question is what? Profit percentage. So profit percentage, how we can calculate? Profit percentage is nothing but profit by CP into 100. Clear? Profit percentage is nothing but how much profit we are getting divided by CP into 100, right? Therefore, profit is 80 rupees divided by CP is 400 rupees into 100. That's all, right? Easily we can solve 2 0 2 0 we can cancel, 4 and 8 we can cancel 20. Therefore, profit percentage 20%. Profit percentage 20%. Easily we can solve the question, right? A man bought an article for 400 rupees, sold it for 480 rupees, cost price 400, selling price 480, profit is 80 rupees profit. Okay. Profit percentage, how we can calculate? Profit by CP into 100. 80 by 400 into 100, 20%. That's all, right? Always profit percentage, loss percentage calculated on CP only, don't forget, right? Now listen, what is the meaning of this formula is, for this 400 rupees, for this CP 400 rupees, there is a profit of 80 rupees. That is the meaning. For 400 rupees, 80 rupees profit. In percentage, what is the percentage means? Into 100 we are doing. That's all, right? Okay. Now, try the next question. A man bought an article for rupees 600, bought an article, okay, and sold it for 540. Find his profit or loss percentage. Yes. So here CP is what? CP is 600 rupees, bought an article, CP is 600 rupees and sold it for rupees 540, selling price 540, right? Now see, closely observe the numbers. 600 rupees he bought but sold it for only 540 rupees. Therefore, selling price reduced, selling price less. Therefore, in this transaction he is getting a loss. Loss of how many rupees? 600 rupees, 540, what is the difference? 60 rupees difference. Therefore, loss is what? 60. Loss is 60 rupees. But profit or loss percentage they are asking. Therefore, in this transaction definitely loss percentage. Loss percentage, what is the formula? Yes, loss by CP into 100, loss upon CP into 100, right? Now, loss is what? 60 rupees divided by CP 600 into 100. Loss by CP into 100, that's all. 0, 0 we can cancel. This is what? 10 times. 10 and 100 we can cancel. How much percentage? 10 percentage. Therefore, answer is 10 percentage loss. Sometimes in exam they will give 10 percentage loss, 10 percentage profit. So don't see the number alone, carefully see the option. 10 percentage loss is the answer for this question. Because 600 rupees product he sold it for 540 rupees, right? Clear? Only normal percentage method only we are discussing, right? Okay. Now try this question. A man bought an article for rupees 120, okay, bought an article, yes, and sold it at a profit of 20 percentage. Find the selling price, right? Now understand the question. Cost price given 120 rupees, okay, 120 rupees. Now sold it at a profit of, so profit percentage given 20 percentage profit, 20 percentage profit, okay. They are asking selling price. Normally how we can solve the question? CP given, profit percentage given, SP they are asking. Therefore, shall we do like this? SP is nothing but 100 percentage is cost price. Cost price, what is the value? 120. Now what is selling price? 100 plus profit percentage. Profit percentage what is given? 20. Therefore, 100 plus 20 is what? 120. That's all, right? If 100 is 120, what is 120? We will get the selling price. 20 percentage profit we are adding with 100. We will get the selling price, right? Therefore, this 20, 20 we can cancel. Finally, selling price is what? 144 rupees. Selling price 144 rupees. Clear? Now, this much we have to do, or shall we do mind calculation means, what is mind calculation technique is, listen, cost price 120 rupees, right? He sold it at a profit of 20 percentage. Listen, 120 rupees for this 20 percentage profit. Profit means what? Add 20 percentage. What is 20 percentage of 120? What is 20 percentage of 120? 10 percentage 12. 20 percentage is what? 2 times of 12, 40. 2 times of 12 is what? 24. Therefore, money value we have to increase 24 rupees. Therefore, 120 plus 24, what is the value? 144. This is mind calculation technique, right? 120, 20 percentage profit added, therefore 24 rupees added, 144. Normal approach is this. Clear? Clear? Right. Now, next question, try. A man bought an article for rupees 2000 and sold it at a profit of 30 percentage. Find the selling price. Same concept, right? Bought an article 2000 rupees, CP 2000, sold it at a profit given. Therefore, profit percentage is what? 30 percentage given. Okay, selling price they are asking. How we can calculate? Yes, what is a single line equation? 100 is 2000. What is 130? How it is 130? 30 percentage profit, 100 plus 30 we have added. Profit given we have to add with 100. Loss given we have to subtract from 100. That's all. Right? Now solve this 20, 20 we can cancel. 2 into 13, 26. How many zeros? 2 zeros. 2600. 2600. Clear this? Now in exam we should not write this. No need of this. Right? In exam what we have to do is 100 is 2000, what is 130? Solve this, just click the answer. No need to write the last answer also. We have to click the answer. Right? Here to understand the concept from the basic we are writing everything clearly. Right? Okay. What is mind calculation for this question? 2000 rupees, 30 percentage profit. Therefore 30 percentage increase. Right? What is 30 percentage of 2000? 10 percentage 200. What is 30 percentage? 10 percentage 200 means 3 times of 200 is what? Nothing but 30 percentage. 10 percentage 200, 30 percentage is what? 600 rupees. Therefore 2000 plus 600, 2600. That's all. Right? No need of pen and paper. No need of calculation also. Right? But initially we calculate and study. Right? Then 6th level of practice method. In Veranda Race Institute, you are getting a 6th level of practice method. First classroom classes, syllabus oriented classes. Classes are taken by experienced faculties, right? Then practice circle is there, then extreme circle, then mains oriented classes and mains oriented focus batches are there, right? Then lab facilities, right? Lab facilities and mock interviews. Right? Any interview is there, here you will get the interview guidance and mock interviews. So for offline admission, for offline batches, contact this number, and for online admission, contact this number. Right? Please note down these numbers. Right? Then we continue with the question. A man sold an article for rupees 200. Listen, sold given. 200 rupees selling price. Right? At a loss of 20% there is a loss, right? Listen, decode the question. Selling price given 200 rupees. Loss percentage given 20%. What they are asking? Find the cost price. See what is a single line equation? What is single line equation? How we can solve the question? 100% is always CP, right? Here loss given, therefore 100 minus loss percentage is what? Selling price. Therefore shall we take like this? 100 minus 20, 80 is actually selling price 200 rupees. 100 minus loss I have taken 80. Loss 20%, 100 minus 20, 80 is actually selling price. What is cost price? Cost price is always 100. CP is always 100, right? Now when we cancel out this, 20 by 8. 20 by 8 is what? Nothing but 2.5. 20 by 8 is nothing but 2.5. Into 100, what is the value? 25. One more 0 we have to add, 250 rupees. The cost price of the product is 250 rupees. Right? Selling price is what? 200. Loss 20%. Therefore, 80 is actually 200. What is 100? We will get the answer. CP will get. Clear? Now, see the next question. Try. A man sold an article for rupees 9,000 at a loss of 25%. Find his CP. Again, understand the question clearly. Selling price given 9,000 rupees. Right? Again, last question only. Loss is 25%. What is CP they are asking? What to do? Loss given. Therefore, selling price is what? 100 minus loss percentage. Selling price numerical value given, in percentage we can understand 100 minus loss percentage. Therefore, shall we take like this? 75% is nothing but 9,000. Then what is 100%? We will get CP. Right? So, those who didn't understand, I will write the formula. Listen. 100 minus loss percentage is actually selling price. What is 100? We will get the What is 100? We will get the cost price, right? Into 100 we will get the CP. In case profit given, what we have to do? Profit given means with 100 we have to add the profit percentage, that is selling price. What is 100? We will get the cost price. Same formula we are substituting, that is here in this question loss given. Therefore 100 minus 25 is nothing but selling price, then what is 100? Now just substituting, 100 minus 25 is what? 75, selling price 9,000 into 100, that's all. 75 and 100 how we can cancel? That is, so 9,000 and 75, is there any common multiple? 5 we can take, or what is the common multiple? 90 is also 15th multiple, 75 also 15th multiple, right? Therefore 5 15s are 75, 6 15s are 90, 2 more zeros, right? Then 605 how we can cancel? 5 times means we can say 12, 12 5s are 60, 1 more 0, 120. Therefore final result is what? 12,000. 12,000 is the cost price, but with 25% loss he is selling for only 9,000 rupees. Therefore CP 12,000. CP is what? 12,000 rupees. Clear? Right? CP is what? 12,000 rupees. So here how we can do mind calculation is, from a value 25% reduced, right? 25% reduced. Therefore 75% is actually 9,000. What is 100%? Right? That is 3 by 4 of a value is 9,000. What is full portion? 4, what is a value? Like that we can do mind calculation. Clear? Clear with the questions, right? So today we have discussed only basic concepts, right? Basic concepts, and don't miss the next video, because next video only we are going to discuss the ratio method. How we can solve profit and loss question with the ratio method. Same 20% we can apply 1 by 5 and we can solve the question quickly, right? 16 2 by 3%, 14 2 by 7%, any percentage given we can use ratio method. Today to understand basic concept, next video we will discuss the ratio method, right? With this we will conclude our session. Follow our channel for the further videos, right? Thank you all. Thank you.